Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this simple, nice, glowy looking makeup. You can call this everyday makeup, you can call this under $50 makeup. Every product I use to create this look is very affordable. I will be mentioning in the video how much what is the cost of every single product and how you can achieve this beautiful look without spending crap lot of money. So if you want to see how I created this look, just carry on watching this video. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So let's go ahead and create some magic. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Take care.
Hey beauties, so we are going to start this beautiful simple glam with my Sheglam birthday primer. This is my new favorite primer right now. It's really hydrating, makes my skin look really nice, lush and glowing, which you want if you have a dry skin. For foundation, we are going with Sheglam hydrating foundation. I'm using the shade Sand and I'm applying this basically everywhere, including all the on my neck, or basically all the exposed part of my body. And I'm using my Benlo's Beauty foundation brush to blend the foundation. For concealers, I'm using Sheglam Versatile Flawless Concealers. I use the shade VANTAU to cover my discoloration and to basically cancel out any dark circles, any sort of dark spots or all that jazz. For contour, I'm using Sheglam Liquid bronzer. This is a new product which is absolutely stunning. I use the shade Warm Honey and I'm using my Zoeva defined buffer brush to blend my bronzer contour, you can say. And this is a really good product actually, because if you don't like that harsh kind of ashy contour, this works really well. For blush, I'm using Sheglam blush in shade Birthday Suit, no, TORRID. This one is TORRID, and I just applied this on high points of my face. You all know I like to apply my blush on the side of my forehead too, so basically temple of my head. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the second color from the same concealer, which is Fizzy, and I'm applying this to brighten my face, so bring forward all the areas of my face which I want to bring it forward. And I'm using my Morphe E8 brush to blend out this concealer. When I do this particular technique, I always keep my foundation brush next to me because I don't like them to move the product too much, but I use my foundation brush as to blend out any harsh edges. To set everything in place, I'm going to use my Sheglam translucent setting powder. This one is the waterproof powder, which is absolutely amazing by the way, and I'm using with my Tati Beauty puff to set everything in place. And now I'm just going with a clean brush to make sure I have nothing is imperfect on my face. For highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I will write down the shade of this one in the description box below. I believe it's 100, but I will write down in the description box. And I applied this on the high points of my face and also my nose. For my brows, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetic brow pencil in shade dark brown. I like using this. It's a very good pencil, especially from drugstore. You really don't need to spend a lot of money on brow products. You can find a really good ones from drugstore which are much more cost friendly. I'm using my Milani Cosmetics bronzer just to create a bit of a depth on my eye, because I'm actually not doing any major big massive eye look. I just want a bit of a definition in my transition, so it looks like I have done my eye contour. And then I'm gonna take just a simple white or any bone shadow eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid using a flat brush. And just same highlighter I used from Maybelline, I used as a inner corner highlight. And that's about it for the eyes pretty much. Curled my lashes and what did I do? Actually just putting a little bit more setting powder on my under eye area, making sure everything is looking good. Used my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in shade WHIRL, along with Milani Cosmetic a lipstick in shade, which one is this? I think this one is Secret. I think I used the secret in this video, but I'll write down the shade in the description box. Curl my lashes, and that's about it.
And here we go, guys. This is the final look. I created this whole look using all affordable makeup, and you can see how glowy and natural and simple my makeup is looking. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.